English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Hello, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to English with Moses. Today is day 8, which means we are officially starting our second week together. You made it through the first 7 days, and your commitment is absolutely inspiring. As we begin this new week, let's keep our positive energy high. Remember our golden mindset. Do not worry about being absolutely perfect. Do not let the fear of making mistakes hold you back today. Just open your ears, catch the melody and flow of the words, speak up clearly during the pauses, and celebrate every single bit of your progress, because practicing out loud every day is the true secret to fluency. Let's jump straight into today's conversation. Hey there, Sally. Are you ready to start week 2 of our challenge?
Hi, Moses. Oh yes, I am absolutely thrilled to be back. And today's topic is one of my personal favorites, shopping for clothes.
I knew you would love this one, Sally. Shopping is a great real-life situation to practice your English. Whether you are traveling or shopping online, you need the right phrases. Sometimes, walking into a clothing store can feel a little intimidating if you don't know what to say.
That is so true, Moses. When a shop assistant walks up to you and asks if you need help, many language learners freeze up and forget their words. But today, we are going to make it completely stress-free.
Exactly. Let's practice a very common store scenario. Imagine you are looking for a nice jacket in a clothing store. I will play the role of the shop assistant, and you will be the shopper. Ready?
Perfect. I am ready to find a beautiful jacket. Let's begin.
Hello there. Welcome to Trend and Style Clothiers. Are you looking for anything specific today, or are you just browsing?
Hi, thank you. I am actually looking for a warm autumn jacket. Could you please show me where the jackets are located?
Of course. They are right over here in the casual section. We have a wonderful collection on display. What color do you prefer?
I really like this classic blue one, but I don't see my size on the rack. Do you have this blue jacket in a medium size?
Let me check the back room for you. Ah, yes, you are in luck. Here is a medium in the classic blue. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. I would love to try it on. Where are the fitting rooms located?
The fitting rooms are just around the corner, right next to the cash register. Go right ahead.
Excuse me, sir. I really like the color, but it feels a bit too tight around the shoulders. Do you happen to have this in a large size instead?
Let me check the computer. Yes, we do have a large size available. Here you go. Try this one and see how it fits.
Oh, this large size fits perfectly. It is incredibly comfortable and very warm. How much is this jacket, by the way?
That jacket is currently on sale. It is $40 today. It is a fantastic deal.
Wow, that is a wonderful price. I will definitely take it. Where can I pay for this?
You can pay right over here at the cash register. Will you be paying with cash or a credit card today?
I will pay with my credit card, please. Here you go.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Here is your receipt and your bag. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much for all your help. Goodbye. Wow, Moses. That conversation covered almost everything you need in a clothing shop.
It really did, Sally. You used excellent phrases like, "Do you have this in a medium?" and "Where are the fitting rooms?" If you know these simple expressions, shopping in English becomes an absolute breeze. Now, let's help our wonderful community practice these useful shopping phrases. Brilliant job listening to the dialogue. Now it is time to active your voice and practice speaking. Listen closely to Sally and repeat after her during the pauses. Try to copy her natural pronunciation and confident rhythm. Let's go.
I am looking for a warm autumn jacket. Could you show me where the jackets are? What color do you prefer? I really like this classic blue jacket. I do not see my size on the rack. Do you have this jacket in a medium size? Would you like to try it on? Where are the fitting rooms located? The fitting rooms are just around the corner. It feels a bit too tight around the shoulders. Do you have this in a large size? It is incredibly comfortable and warm. How much is this jacket, by the way? It is $40 today.
Fantastic work today. You just successfully completed day 8 of our English Shadowing Challenge. Please remember to smash that thumbs up button right now. And tell us in the comments, do you prefer real or online shopping? See you next day. Bye-bye.